Ooh, shine your light, let the world see you. You're a dreamer, and your dreams are coming true.
Hi Slayer, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy new month and compliments of this season. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, I mean my Slayer, welcome back. I'm a content creator, UGC creator. If you have products and services for me, there'll be a link to my email in the description bar below. So share my videos with your loved ones, with your friends and family. Find something you like on my channel, share it with your stylist. Let he or she whip that out for you in her kitchen. Okay. In today's video, we're going to do a simple bridal styling. So in 8+ minutes, you're going to learn how to do this simple bridal hairstyle. I started with detangling my frontal and stretching it out. If you are doing a pre-styling and you have your canvas, there's these 3 lines in front. Fold your frontal into 2 equal parts, especially if your frontal is not the widow's peak. Fold it into 2 equal parts, and that middle, just hold it and look for the 3 lines in front of the canvas, then put it in the middle line. Why we're doing this is because you need to get the middle part of the frontal, since you're not installing this hair on the person. I'm talking to my bridal stylist here and also stylist here. If you are not a professional bridal hairstylist or an installer, please, this is not for you. But you can also learn, so you can tell your stylist to do that for you, okay?
You've got the spark, let it glow. Don't let the shadows hide your glow. The world is waiting, take your place. Show them the fire in your heart's embrace. Step into the light, let your voice be heard. You're a star, you're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no doubt, you're breaking through. This is your moment, it's made for you.
For packing, I'm using 2 rubber bands. You need 2 rubber bands. 1 might cut, so you need 2. And 2 bobby pins. Put it on the opposite side, and then fix the other end of the pin or tip of the pin inside the hair, and then use the other one, tie it round. It's a rubber band, so it's stretchy and it's firm. After tying it down, you fix the other tip of the pin inside to secure it properly. Then you take out a little portion of the hair and wrap it round. Use it to cover the rubber band, and then use your free spray. My free spray of choice is Butterfly Shadow. It's good and it's invisible. It's not like the other ones that you see the flakes. This doesn't flake. That's why I prefer to use this. And after that, I take my bond and then wrap the tip of the ponytail around it, secure it with a bobby pin. If you've watched my previous styling video, you see exactly how I did this. But just in case you haven't seen it, here is the link for that video. Yeah, you can check it out as well. And then pull up. We know the method, so yeah, but just for the newcomer here, this is how I do it. You have to make it secure enough so that it will be firm. So if you roll it up, you pull it down and make sure it is firm enough before you pin. So I'm just going to leave you to enjoy this video. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn on all post notification, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, good. Let's go.
You've got the spark, let it glow. Don't let the shadows hide your glow. The world is waiting, take your place. Show them the fire in your heart's embrace. Step into the light, let your voice be heard. You're a star, you're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no true. You've got the power, let it rise. Every step you take, you light the skies. Don't let anyone dull your shine. You're a warrior and you're one of a kind. Step into the light, let your voice be heard. You're a star, you're the one you've been waiting for. No fear, no doubt, you're breaking through. This is your moment, it's made for you. Shine your light, let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable, you're a diamond in the night. Shine your light, let the world see you. You're a dreamer, and your dreams are coming true. Yeah, you're the one, you're the light. You're gonna make everything alright. Keep on dancing, keep on singing. You're the melody the world keeps bringing. Shine your light, let it shine so bright. You're unstoppable, you're a diamond in the night. Shine your light, let the world see you. You're a dreamer, and your dreams are coming true.
If you've watched this video till this point, I think it is time. Time for what, you say? Time to give it a thumbs up. It deserves a thumbs up and also a hand of applause in the comments below if you enjoyed it. A hand of applause, emoji, and leave a comment. Say something in the comments below. And this is it for this video. I also did a quick install for my model with free spray, just free spray, no glue to it. And that is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe as well and turn on all post notifications to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. This is it for today's tutorial. Thank you for slaying with spear. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye for now.